Big cows. Yeah, and then we change. It's a good idea?
Yes.
Can you 15 people with horse and 15 people?
Riding through the plains where dreams begin. The sun sinking low.
Cows from 1 to 1.5 years. We make them pregnant. And when they born a calf, when they 2 years, then start the milk production. Then they come on the other side.
The coyotes cry underneath the blanket of a lonesome sky. The ranch lights flicker.
So you can try how you can milk a cow. So you can try that in a few minutes when but first we go to the real cows and show you how they milk. When I was young, always was here a milk machine with my dad and my grandpa. They milking by hand, and so was it in the past, and now later came the milking machine. And we have 2 lines with cows two times a day, and we all milk installation. We bring with my hand on the cow 2 times a day, 7 days a week, and now it's a robot take it over from us. And I will show you. Same way, but the woman and milk and it's exactly the same. Now, here, come a little bit more here, and you can see it. Both sides with the 4 teeth. And all the milk that you use always comes from the cow, not from the supermarket or something. It's always started by the cow. And the machine is now cleaning the teeth, and then it's starting the milking process now. And then you see the milk. Yeah. And the milk goes to the unit, and from the unit goes the milk to a big milk tank. And we make the milk in that big milk tank. We make it cold to 4 degrees. In Holland we drink milk, but we have pressure on the other, so that's a way too when they come here. So a combination from eating and milking what they like then. Yeah, the young cow, the new cows, we must learn them 2 times a day. We put them in, and the first time is sometimes difficult because we yeah, that is. I'm 100 kilograms, but the cow is 600-700 kilograms, so yeah. To pasture. So when they go to pasture, sometimes then it's not here, then it goes outside. So then you have not
riding through the plains where dreams begin. The sun sinking low paints the sky in gold. Cowboy's heart carries stories untold. The cattle call echo, the coyotes cry. Underneath the blanket of a lonesome sky, the ranch lights flicker, a beacon so faint, but her face in my mind is a picture I paint. Wide open plains where the wild winds roam. A saddle's my pillow, the stars my home, but her shadow rides with me. Her voice in the breeze, unrequited love is a heart's disease. Fence posts stand crooked, the wind's bitter tune. The night brings a chill beneath the pale moon. The fire crackles low, but it don't keep me warm. Not like her touch could, soft and forlorn. Whiskey don't soothe, it just burns my soul. Like the brand on the cattle, it leaves me whole. The horizon's a promise, but it lies every day. 'Cause it won't bring her back, no matter the way. Oh, wide open plain where the wild winds roam. A saddle's my pillow, the stars my home, but her shadow rides with me. Her voice in the breeze, unrequited love.
When the calf is born, it goes that way. We can show them. That side there were 4 calves. The first 2 were twins, and this one is born yesterday.
Dust on the saddle,
It's very soft.
Oh yeah.
There were more. 40 kilos when they were born. But the last bear was 58 kilos when he was born. Much more bigger.
Cowboy's heart carries stories
twins. This one was 53 and this one was 58 when they were born.
Oh my god, they're so cute. Hur är inga. You don't want to wear it.
Where the wild winds roam, a saddle's my pillow, the stars my home, but her shadow rides with me. Her voice in the breeze, unrequited love is a heart's disease. Fence posts stand crooked, the wind's bitter tune, the night brings a chill.